Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2022 Infiniti QX80 LUXE that we have for sale. This was recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new Infiniti out of our new Infiniti inventory. We'll put it in loaner car service for a year or two. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti loaner cars for extended service visits. So that's what this one did. It's been in our care its whole life, and now it's available for sale itself as a certified pre-owned Infiniti. So it's come full circle. Now it qualifies you for Infiniti loaner car if you buy this one at any Infiniti retailer in North America. This has a beautiful perforated leather interior. The QX80 is our full-size luxury SUV. It's our most expensive, most opulent, most luxurious vehicle, and they are fantastic. I've been with Infiniti close to 20 years, and the QX80 is one of my favorite vehicles. It's very robust, very well built. It's built and assembled in Japan. Not all Japanese brands, not all Infinitis are made in Japan, but the QX80 is the real deal. It's largely based off the Nissan Patrol global platform, kind of like Nissan's version of the Land Cruiser. But unlike a Land Cruiser, this is a little bit more luxurious. So it's kind of like more like a Lexus LX570. But the LX570 is a little bit smaller than the QX80. The QX80 is a true full-size, luxury SUV, kind of like a Cadillac Escalade, GMC Denali, something like that. We have a real four-wheel drive system of a 2-speed transfer case. You have low range. These are very capable off-road. Even though it's in the tuxedo, this thing has a lot of off-road capability. And it's, even if you never take it off-road, it drives beautifully on-road too. For 2022, we got a new infotainment system, the latest in Infiniti's infotainment technology. This one, of course, has navigation, 360 around view camera. You can change views. We have a digital rearview mirror, which is really nice because visibility in these things are tough with the headrests and the B and C pillars. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel. This one has a tad under 13,000 miles. Adaptive cruise control. We have blind spot warning. Memory for the driver's seat, wood interior trim. Nice running boards. Beautiful color combination on black on black. The QX80 has a nice stately appearance about it. For an engine, we have a 5.6 liter V8 pumping out 400 horsepower. No complicated forced induction, turbocharging, supercharging. It's just old fashioned cubic inches. 400 horsepower makes this thing pretty quick. 0 to 60 a little over 7 seconds. So also makes it a fairly capable tow rig. You can tow right around 8,500 pounds when properly equipped. Built on rugged body and frame architecture, this thing is a true rugged, it's a truck. It's an SUV, but it's built on a truck platform. A lot of crossover SUVs, like most other Infiniti products we have, like the QX60, the QX50, QX55, they're all fantastic vehicles, but they're crossover SUVs. They're built like cars, and you can't tow 8,500 pounds with a car. You'll pull the whole butt end out of it out of the car. You need a rugged frame for towing 8,500 pounds like this QX80, or for doing any type of off-roading and stuff like that. When it comes to doing truck stuff, you need a truck. Well, there you have it, one beautiful example of a 2022 QX80 LUXE. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.